guys, Aubrey here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is another Quick-Torial. I'm super excited. I'm going to be using the new Almay palette, and this one is absolutely stunning. It's perfect for an everyday look. You got everything you need just for a simple look, and I'm going to show you guys how I use this on the daily with this super basic look. I mean, it's real basic. Alright, so I'm first going to start off by prepping my eyes with this Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer, and this stuff is very hydrating and I like it on my eyelids because it doesn't dry them out and it just feels really nice, and it's great as a base for eyeshadows. Alright, so now getting into the actual palette, I'm going to be taking the first color that they recommend as the base, and that's kind of like that creamy pale color. It is really pigmented. As you can see, it is like showing up on the brush like crazy, so you definitely have to tap off your brush before applying, and I'm just going to use this to set my concealer. Next, I'm going to take number 3 and I'm going to use a fluffy brush, and as you can see, it is crazy pigmented, and I'm just going to be working this into my crease and just defining my shape in my eye just a little bit better. But again, very pigmented, so make sure you tap off your brush before you get to blending. Now I'm going to take this really beautiful rose gold shimmer shade and I'm going to be applying this all over my lid. On top of that, I'm going to be taking the corner shade. It is very bright and shimmery, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner, and then I'm going to take the darker brown shade and use this in the outer corner just to get some definition and blend it out with a blending brush. I'm also going to take number 4, and that is the liner shade, and just put this underneath my eyes as well to give some more definition. And then I'm going to wet my brush with some setting spray and go back into that beautiful rose gold just so we can get more of a foiled effect, and pack that on the lid. And then for my brow bone highlight, I'm just going to use the base color. It's that nice creamy color. I'm going to go in with my favorite Physicians Formula liquid eyeliner just to tie it in together, and that is my completed look. Girl, I know you can see my lash glue. I totally forgot to put liquid eyeliner on the lash band, so don't come for me for that, but that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!